Cruise lines are squaring off with Florida Governor Ron DeSantis after he passed a law that bans businesses from asking for proof that passengers have been vaccinated, when proof is exactly what these cruise lines need in order to stay afloat and get folks safely back on board. Joining us now is Maritime Attorney Michael Winkleman. Michael, thank you so much for being with us. Look, a lot of people, they want to get back out there. They want to go on vacation. You have the governor who has sued the CDC back in April to get cruises back. And yet at the same time, there is no cruise line that is supporting the governor in his effort to stop cruises from verifying the vaccination or non-vaccination of its passengers. Where is this headed?
To court, most likely, Brianna. I think that's the most logical end to this game of chicken that's going on. It's really a bizarre time for the cruise lines. I think you're 100% correct. There's tremendous pent-up demand for cruising. People want to go back to cruising. I think the CDC wants to go back to cruising, yet Governor DeSantis is, trying to mess things up as much as he possibly can. First, he sues the CDC, and now he's basically threatening to sue the cruise lines if they're going to require these vaccine passports. It's really an untenable situation. Governor DeSantis should keep his nose out of the business of the cruise lines and the CDC. It's simply not what he does. The cruise lines and the CDC are working together well to get back cruising. I think they will get back cruising, but I also think you cannot cruise safely without the vaccine and without proof of vaccination.
Well, the federal government agrees because the guidance coming down says that basically all crew need to be vaccinated and almost all, the vast majority of passengers need to be vaccinated. Of course, cruise ships, maritime law is something that we normally associate with being a federal issue. And this is the federal government that is also coming down with this guidance for cruise ships. Does the governor have a leg to stand on coming from a state with these rules?
I'm going to give you a legal answer, and I'm going to say not really. You say it's federal, which is true. The CDC certainly has discretion to regulate the cruise lines. I often complain when we're not in COVID times that there's not enough regulation over the cruise lines, but certainly in this situation where the CDC shut down cruising, we see that as a unique exception to that. But I think ultimately, if this does go to court, I know the cruise lines are going to fight tooth and nail to say this is not valid, he doesn't have discretion to do it, et cetera. But that's one of the fun things about maritime law is you always have this unique interplay between federal law, state law, foreign law, international law. So there's not one plain bright line answer, Brianna, but I do think at the end of the day, the cruise lines and the CDC win this battle, not Governor DeSantis.
All right, so you think the cruise lines will prevail. All right, we'll be watching, Michael. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you, Brianna.